How to fix Apple developer app unknown error. Please try again. First close the app. Now open settings. Here check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now tap on VPN. Disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Here search for developer app. Now offload the developer app and reinstall it. After this go back. Open App Store. Here search for Apple developer. Now update the Apple developer app. After updating, restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. If your issue remains, then select and hold the app. Tap on remove. Tap on delete app and uninstall the developer app. After uninstalling, reinstall it. After this, your problem will be fixed.